Stress does not arrive in the brain like a sudden storm. It behaves more like a river that slowly changes its course over time. At first, the water is useful. It nourishes the land. But when the current becomes too strong, it begins to erode the very ground it sustained. This is what chronic stress does. It reshapes the way the brain is wired, altering memory, emotion, and even our very identity. Evolutionarily, stress is a feature, not a flaw. It triggered the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis to help us survive immediate physical dangers. When activated, hormones like cortisol and adrenaline flood the system, sharpening attention and redirecting energy toward immediate survival. In modern life, the threat isn't a predator, but a continuous background of work expectations, social comparisons, and emotional conflicts. One of the first areas affected is the hippocampus, the center for memory. Chronic cortisol suppresses the growth of new neurons here. This is why stressed individuals feel forgetful. The physical structure supporting memory is being altered by the constant chemical pressure. The prefrontal cortex, our rational manager, also loses strength. Cortisol interferes with the connections that allow us to plan and stay focused. Meanwhile, the amygdala, the brain's alarm system, moves in the opposite direction. It becomes hyperactive and can even grow in size. This creates an imbalance. The alarm system becomes louder, while the control center becomes quieter. The river of fear carves deeper channels. Early life stress is particularly impactful. In childhood, the brain's foundation is being built, making it highly sensitive to environmental signals. In adulthood, the brain is more stable but still plastic. Prolonged stress still leads to wear and tear, known as allostatic load. But the same plasticity that allows for damage also allows for healing. Physical exercise and mindfulness can actually reverse these effects. Mindfulness strengthens the prefrontal cortex and calms the amygdala, restoring balance to the brain's internal circuitry over time. By changing our habits and environments, we can redirect the flow of the river, building new routes for health and resilience. Thanks for watching.